All right, everyone, we are going to look at status here. So I'm not sure if I've ever covered this one. I did have it on my list, but I don't know if I've ever looked at it. But with that being said, we're going to look at it here really quick, and we're just going to focus on the macro picture because the smaller time frames, if we zoom down, let's go to the daily, you can see it's just going sideways right now and not really doing anything. But looking on the big picture for it from the high all the way back here in March of 2022, according to the Coinbase chart here to the low, you can see it got above the 618 for just a moment, fell back below the zero point 0.5 at 4.6 and got stuck ever since, and now it is back down on the 382 support. So ultimately, from the high to the low over the 382, you are technically bullish here, and I would simply say off of this very strong move up, you can clearly see that we have formed a very bullish bull flag here on the larger time frame, falling wedge, whatever you want to call this pattern here. But ultimately, it is a bullish pattern, a flag pattern, I would say. And as long as the price of SNT here stays over the 3.5 penny mark, then at some point you're going to spike up and break out to the upside from this pattern and come up here and retest the zero point 0.5 resistance at 4.5 pennies for a 19% move. And then once you get that momentum going, you can see you will be gunning for that 618 once again at 5.8, and that is about a 51% move here on status. So yeah, I mean, it looks good right now. It's in a very bullish pattern. The stock RSI is way down here at the bottom, but that could just tell you that it's resetting and she's about to get that momentum and start spiking to the upside here. High Kanashi candles here on the weekly are printing red with no shadow. Let's go down to the smaller time frames here. It just rolled over to green on the daily, but yeah, clearly in consolidation mode here on support. So the simple thing I would simply say is watch support here. As long as this pattern's going to stay bullish and this thing's potentially going to spike up, just watch the 3.5 cent level here, 0.36. As long as you stay above the 382, I would say it's only a matter of time before she starts to go back up. But I guess we need to measure the downside also. If this thing is going to be bearish and you fall below and get a weekly or a 3-day close below 365 here, then that's going to tell you that the price is about to fall off the table. So watch the 3-day candles. If you get a 3-day close below the 365 price mark there, the price area, then that's going to signal you're coming back down to your 236 and you're going to drop almost 30% down to 2.5 pennies on SNT. So that's what we got for status. Good luck, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.